guys, my mom cut my hair. You remember I'm ugly. So he cut it and bring me some bangs. So I always brush my hair, give it some bangs. Right? And for there's something right to my eye, I just do like this. I do like this. Bakit?
Wala kayo. Mamamatay yan.
Nag-vlog ako. Nag-vlog. Ito yung dalawa kong makulit na kapatid. Ayan si Aton. Yung bunso sa amin. Ay! Shh! Aton! Baby shark! Shh! Baby shark! Hoy! Hindi naman. Hello! Oy, iPhone yan ni Mama. Ito yung mas makulit. Madungis na naman.